Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup. So if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are filming an update for the project pen, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so first thing, if you're curious about this eye look, I filmed it. It should be already live. It's the palette creation for March, so I will list that video down below. So this update will be interesting in my opinion because I realized this month my makeup consumption and how I think about makeup and how I want to use makeup. So we are gonna switch something out, which is totally fine because I allowed myself in the beginning to swap something if I want to. But let's start with some products and we are gonna talk about that at the end. So first let's talk about the primer. This is the Rare Beauty Illuminating primer, and as you can see I did a great progress on this one. I'm gonna pop a photo with the progress, and I think 1 or 2 months and this should be done. I really like the primer. I'm wearing it today. I will list down below the products that I have on my face as well, but I really like the primer. It's great, and you know that already because it was in my favorites for 2021. But anyway, I'm almost done, which I'm very happy about. I like having this one in my project pen and I like using up primers, so this will stay in the project, and in 2 months I think this should be done. The next item is the Urban Decay Stay Naked foundation, and I have the shade 20NN, and as you can see this is almost empty. It's very reflective, so I'm gonna pop a photo where I'm at, but I'm right here, so I think I could finish this one in the next month. This looks promising. I love painting foundations as well. This is one of my favorite foundations, so at some point I could see myself repurchasing this, but at this very moment I'm very excited to use it up. Next, let's talk about this NYX powder. This is the High Glass in the shade Light, and this is a glowy powder. I'm using this everywhere except my under eyes, and I'm gonna pop again a photo. I did a great progress on this one. I think I went very fast in this last month. I really like the powder. I don't think it's necessary in my makeup routine, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it up, and I'm very excited with the progress. Then let's talk about this highlighter. This is the Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in the shade Blossom Gloom. The packaging is broken from before, and I have a giant pen in it, and as you can see, I can already see a lot of the waffle bottom. I don't know how that is called. It has just a waffle pattern, but yeah, I don't know if you can see a big progress from the pictures. I need to edit the pictures so I can put there the month and everything, so I didn't see the progress yet. It's kind of hard to pen highlighters, but I really like this one, so I'm okay to have it in the project pen. This product will be for sure the hardest one to finish, but this is in here for the long run, so I'm okay with the progress, and I did use it a bunch of times. The next product is the Milk Makeup Cream Bronzer in the shade Baked, and I did last month put the bronzer into the backup packaging. We did finish this highlighter in the last month, but I think I did a small progress. Maybe you can see like that. I did use this one a bunch of times. I really like the cream bronzer. I'm gonna put again the pictures. The progress is not very visible. This will be a bit hard to finish as well, but I really like it, so I really enjoy using it. The next product is the Born to Glow concealer. I still have some product in here. I can't believe it. So I'm squishing very hard the packaging, and I'm just right here. I'm almost done, but I have still some product in there, and this is my favorite concealer, so I really want to use it up, but I'm gonna use it this month as well. And I think after this one, this should be finished. I really enjoy this concealer, so in a way, I'm a bit happy that I still have some product in there, but I want to finish it up because I want to finish other concealers as well. Then we have the 2 eye pencils that I put in the project pen last month. Of course, the black one is a lot smaller right now because I use black on all my looks. This one is a purple one, and of course I'm using purple more rarely than black. But I think I did a great progress on both of them. I could say that the black one will be done in the next update, and maybe I will swap it for another black pencil, but at the moment these are looking like that. I really like the formula on both of them. This one is the Inglot #1 black pencil, and this one is the Sephora eccentric diva shade, because I don't know if I ever said the name of the pencils, but they were always in the description box. If you have any question about the product that I'm using, they are always in the description box. But yeah, I'm very happy with the progress on these pencils. For the next 3 products, let's have a small talk. I realized in the last month that I really don't like having a blush in my project pen, because I was using the project pen blush, which is the NYX one. A lot of times I have 20 uses on it right now, and the goal was 30, but I felt like I need to use it every time, and I neglected my other blushes. And with the other products, maybe it's fine for me to neglect my other categories, but for blush, I don't know, I don't think it's fun to just use only one blush. And I think the same for lipsticks as well, but I really want to finish this lipstick. This color is very neutral, so I could wear it with almost all looks, but because this blush is really orange, and in the last month I did a lot of pink looks, and because of that I always felt like I need to add a pink blush, of course, because my look was pink, so I always applied another blush on top, which is totally fine to use more blushes. And I said in the beginning that I'm allowing myself to swap products out, so because of that I will remove this blush, and I'm not gonna put any other blushes in the project pen. And as well for lipstick in the future, after I'm finishing this one, because I really want to finish it, I'm not gonna add any more lipsticks. And here I'm mentioning lipsticks, not lip glosses or lip pencils, but for lipsticks I don't think that's a lot of fun either. So yeah, and I think that's because blush and also lipstick, these are colorful things, as well as eyeshadows. I don't think I could pan eyeshadows because I like switching them around. I don't like wearing only one palette or using only one shade. I don't think that will be fun, so we are not putting any blush in the project pen. And after I'm finishing with this one, I don't think I'm gonna add any more lipstick in my project pens. Maybe just when I'm very, very close to be done, and just to motivate myself to finish a lipstick, but maybe just in that case. And for eyeshadows, of course, I'm not gonna put eyeshadows in my project pen, because I know myself, I would hate to have only 5 shadows in my project pen, or 10 or something like that. I don't find that fun for me, because I like colorful makeup and I like switching palettes around, so that's not for me. So for the lipstick, like I said, I will keep this in the project. This is how much I have left, and I'm gonna put a picture on the screen with the progress. I did wear it a bunch of times, but with lipstick is a slow progress as well, but I'm fine. I have the lipstick on my lips today, and I really like that lipstick, so it's okay to have it in the project pen. And for the blush, like I said, I used this 20 times. I don't have a big progress on it, even though I use it a bunch of times. That thing I don't like as well. So the lipstick is staying. The blush will be replaced by another lip product, and this one is the Sigma Renew Lip Oil, and I have the shade Tint. This lip oil is perfection, is very, very reflective, so sorry about that. I will pop some pictures. I do have a small amount, I think I'm right here, but I want to pen a lot of lip glosses, so I think we are gonna go through all of them, and I'm gonna finish all of them because they are quite old. This one is not very old, but I love it that much. I want to finish it up because I enjoy using it. So this will be the first lip oil slash lip gloss in my project pen. I'm very excited to use them up. And for the last product in the project pen, we have the NYX HD powder, and this one is the shade Banana, but you can see it because it's empty, but I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen. This is a mini, but I'm very excited that I finished another product up, and I didn't repurchase it because I want to buy other press powders at the moment, but this is a great product. I think I will repurchase it at some point. Great product, I really recommend it. And the NYX powder will be replaced by another setting product, and this is the Urban Decay setting spray, the Allnighter. I really love the setting spray. It melts the powders into the skin and it's really helping with the long lasting of the makeup. But for some reason, I always skip setting spray because I feel like I don't need a setting spray, because usually I'm not wearing the makeup for that long, but this will expire and that will be a bigger problem, so I want to put it in the project pen just to use it up. I'm using a drugstore spray to wet my brushes for shimmery shades, but for my face I'm not using this spray, so I'm putting it in the project just to use it up. So I don't know how much product is in here, but I think I am right here. I think I have a lot of product in here. I think this will be pretty easy to use up, so I'm putting it in the project just to motivate myself. The blush got me thinking a bit, because at the beginning I said that I'm gonna rotate through all my blushes, but of course I'm not gonna do that now. But it's interesting. I really like project penning. I think it's very interesting, and you really learn a lot about yourself and your makeup consumption, which I think is great. Okay, so if you like the video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.